Ferrocement buildings, a durable and versatile construction method. Ferrocement is a construction material that combines iron or steel wire mesh with a cement-based mortar. The wire mesh provides tensile strength, while the mortar offers compressive strength and durability. This combination results in a strong, monolithic structure that can be used for a variety of building applications. Advantages of ferrocement buildings. First, durability. Ferrocement structures are known for their exceptional durability. The combination of steel and concrete creates a material that is resistant to cracking, corrosion, and earthquakes. Second, versatility. Ferrocement can be used for a wide range of building elements, including walls, floors, roofs, and even entire buildings. It can be molded into various shapes and sizes, making it suitable for both residential and commercial projects. Third, cost-effectiveness. Ferrocement can be a cost-effective construction material, especially in regions where steel and cement are readily available. It can reduce construction time and labor costs. Fourth, seismic resistance. Ferrocement structures have demonstrated excellent seismic resistance, making them a popular choice in earthquake-prone areas. Fifth, energy efficiency. Ferrocement can be designed to be energy efficient, providing insulation and reducing heat loss or gain. Sixth, low maintenance. Ferrocement structures require minimal maintenance, as the material is naturally resistant to weathering and decay. Ferrocement has been used successfully in many parts of the world for decades, and its popularity continues to grow due to its versatility, durability, and cost-effectiveness. It is a promising option for sustainable and resilient construction. Biocement, a sustainable building material. Biocement is a novel construction material that uses microorganisms, primarily bacteria, to precipitate calcium carbonate and bind soil particles together. This process, known as microbially induced calcite precipitation, results in a strong and durable material similar to traditional cement. Advantages of biocement. First, environmental friendliness. Reduced carbon footprint. Biocement production consumes less energy and emits fewer greenhouse gases compared to traditional cement manufacturing. Second, renewable resources. The microorganisms used in biocement can be derived from natural sources, making it a more sustainable option. Third, self-healing properties. Crack repair. Biocement can naturally repair cracks in structures by promoting the growth of microorganisms that precipitate calcium carbonate within the cracks, strengthening the material. Fourth, versatility. Soil stabilization. Biocement can be used to stabilize soil for foundations, slopes, and erosion control. Construction materials. It can be incorporated into concrete, bricks, and other building materials to enhance their strength and durability. Fifth, cost-effectiveness. Reduced material costs. In some cases, biocement can be produced using locally available materials, potentially reducing costs. While biocement is still in its early stages of development and commercialization, its potential benefits for sustainable construction and environmental protection make it a promising material for the future. Biocement for ferrocement houses, a promising potential. Biocement could be a viable option for ferrocement house construction, offering several potential benefits. Biocement can be made to be quite durable, especially when reinforced with steel mesh. This can enhance the structural integrity of ferrocement structures. Self-healing properties. Biocement's ability to repair itself could be particularly useful for ferrocement houses exposed to harsh weather conditions or seismic activity. Environmental friendliness. Biocement's lower environmental impact compared to traditional cement could make it a more attractive choice for sustainable building practices. However, there are still some challenges to overcome before biocement becomes a mainstream material for ferrocement house construction, but we have to evolve and test more sustainable alternatives. Let us rethink our building system to adapt to Mother Nature and to find technologies that bring us more in harmony with the ecosystem. Support me https://buymeacoffee.com/Nestlin SP. Like, follow, subscribe.